President NTU, dear Pro-Chancellors, Board of Governors, Professors, faculty members, staff, students, and distinguished guests. I am indeed delighted to be in the internationally reputed Nanyang Technological University NTU in a research-intensive academic environment is nurturing students from across the globe in diverse disciplinary strength as well as entrepreneurial and leadership skill for the 21st century. My greetings to the students, faculty members, alumni, staff, and distinguished guests assembled here. I consider it is a great honor for receiving the honorary degree Doctor of Engineering conferred by the prestigious Nanyang Technological University NTU. While I am with you, I wish to share a few events, my personal experience during my education, my personal observation on integrative approaches that have enriched the world, the creativity that is needed for the challenging problem confronting the humanity, and my thoughts on the 21st century university mission. Since I am in the midst of students being prepared for techno-managerial expertise, I would like to give my experience with a teacher who taught me system design, system integration, system management in an integrated learning environment in the classroom. While I was studying in Aeronautical Engineering, Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai, 1954 to 57, during the third year of my course, I was assigned a project with 5 other colleagues to design a low-level attack aircraft. When I was a student, I was assigned to design a low-level attack aircraft. I was given the responsibility of a system design, system integration, and integrating the team members. Also, I was responsible for aerodynamic and structural design of the project. The other 5 members of my team took up the design of propulsion, control, guidance, avionics, and instrumentation of the aircraft. My design teacher, Professor Srinivasan, then Director of Madras Institute of Technology, was our guide. He reviewed the project and declared, after 4 months he reviewed the project and declared my work to be gloomy and disappointing. He did